Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Paint Flamingo Power Wash. Back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Port Tampa, Florida. We're here for a pool cage cleaning as well as a vinyl fence cleaning, big vinyl fence. This customer reached out to me from my website about a week or so ago, and we booked this job for the day. I got a trainee with me today, Manuel. He's from Ocala, Florida. He's gonna be starting his business real soon, so he came down here to get some training with me. Oh yeah, I want to thank y'all for the 5,000 subscribers. I said I was gonna be doing the giveaway, but I didn't expect to hit 5,000 so fast, so I didn't even get to tell you guys what it was. So I'm gonna be giving away a soft wash gun, the same one that I used, the Udor poly gun with the Viton seals in it. I'm gonna give everything's gonna come with it, just like mine, except for the swivel at the bottom. I won't have a swivel, but you're gonna have the gun. You're gonna have the the socket on it. You're gonna have the the bottom is gonna be a bar where you can put your half-inch hose. So this is what we're doing here. Big vinyl fence all the way around. We're gonna be doing the outside of here. We're not gonna be doing the back with the neighbors or the back of that one, because that's an alley back there. You don't really care for that. So it's a big nice backyard, man. The customers just moved in. You ain't gotta wet that. You already wet the fence already? I mean the plants? Okay. All right, give me a second. So yeah, so this is gonna be a nice little ticket for us, man. First one in the morning. Right now it's about, I think like 9:30 probably. Let's see, 9:32. 9:32, so we're gonna get started here. Something light, we're probably just gonna go ahead and downstream it. And we're gonna downstream the fence too. If you haven't yet, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the video. If you find any value to it, So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that downstream injector on. We just got done wetting down the plant, so now we can apply our SH and get this thing all cleaned up. Fence is pretty bad, as you guys can see. All that gonna come away with that downstream mix. Cage itself is not really terrible. Got some spots on it that's really bad. Got a light film on it. Not the worst I've done. Oh yeah, this side here got some. You can see it much better. We're gonna blow off all the debris, all the leaves off up top for them. We're gonna start out here, come outside. Alright, so we just got done downstreaming the fence. The pool cage on the outside. While we're on the outside, we're gonna go ahead and hit the fence. We're gonna let that dwell, hit the inside. And by the time we get done doing the inside, we'll be ready to rinse the fence. This fence does have some stubborn spots, like on this backhand like this. Downstreaming normally don't take care of this. Kind of tough. It might come off, but it's kind of tough, a little tougher. So for those, what I do is I just hit those with a pump up sprayer, get those off. You ain't gotta go too crazy because you already did the outside. This is just to make sure everything is nice and clean. So Manuel is finishing up the cage on the inside. Check out the fence. We still gotta come back and rinse it, but you can tell the big difference already. We only downstreamed it. Definitely ready to rinse. Let's see what time it is. We said we started around 9:30. It was 9:32. Right now it is 10:07. Making pretty good time. We got 2 more jobs on the schedule today. Manuel is doing a pretty good job right now. All right, we're starting to rinse the fence. We're gonna knock out the fence, rinsing it on the outside as well as the outside of the cage. All right, that looks good. Get the bottom, right there, the bottom. All right, that's great again. right, we all finished here. Fence came out good. Took us about 2 hours. get everything done. Fence was about 500 feet long. I give her a deal on it. You know what I'm saying? But everything came out good. Let's go check out the back. Oh yes, sir. All dried up. Looking great. No more algae on the screens. The fence was filthy back here. Got that all cleaned up. Looking like glass. Look at that, it's gone. Alright, we're gonna pack it up. We got a roof cleaning next. I'll see y'all when I get there. Alright guys, we're all set up right here in New Tampa. We're here for a roof cleaning here. This actually is my first YouTube subscriber or viewer that sent me a lead to clean his rental property. Last time we were here, me and EJ, we did a house wash and driveway cleaning here. Today we're back, we're gonna be doing the roof cleaning. The roof is not terribly bad, but we're gonna hit it with a 5% mix just to make sure, you know, everything looks spectacular. I got Manuel over here weighing down all the plants just to make sure we do our property protection. It's not much to it. It's not a lot of plants around, but they don't have gutters, so therefore we're gonna have to go in overtime with the rinsing and make sure everything lifts. So let's go check it out. This is the roof here. It's a shingle roof, 2-story. You guys know I like to walk roofs, man. I don't like to move that ladder too many times. So there's an access point I can get on right there and just go up to the top and knock the top out. That right there could be done from the ground, you know what I'm saying? So it's 1 story, that's not that bad. All of these roofs are pretty much easy, man. Like I could have just, like this roof here, I can just climb up here and I can get to the 2nd story easy. I can actually stand right there and do the 2nd story. But like I said, there's not a lot of plants around. So but we're gonna make sure we see there's a line right there. That line indicates that's where the drip edge is. That's where it drips at. So we're definitely gonna water that down. Got a plant right here. Same thing for the back. You can see that trail right there. It actually looks like this grass is actually has died right here before we even started, but we're gonna wet it all down. See, same thing over here. See that line? Before we start spraying, you already see the line already down there. So pressure washing police, don't come for me. Manuel already wet all these down for me, so I think we're gonna be ready to spray in a little bit, man. All right, so we got the grass and plants watered up. You guys, this is what I'm giving away today. Whenever I get to do a video, whatever, I don't know, I might do a live video, live giveaway. But this is the gun here with the Viton seal. It comes with this elbow. It's not gonna come with a J-rod, but it's gonna come with that socket right there and that reducer, and you can put your own J-rod on it. And then at the bottom you have a barb. You won't have this swivel because that swivel is on my hose. But the swivel is nice because you can rotate your gun, you know what I'm saying? You can rotate your gun and then it won't bind up on you. So I love that swivel on there. But this is it, man. So what you're gonna get, it's gonna be brand new too, man, out the package. All right, we're gonna go up top and start spraying from the back and moving our way forward. right, so on this roof here, we're not using a crazy amount of surfactant. Like I said, this roof wasn't terribly bad, so we're not heavy-handed with the SH. We're coating it real good. And then, like I said, you know, you always come back and do a, you know what I'm saying, another coat over it just to make sure that you didn't miss any spots. You'd rather do it now than having to come back later. So that's why I'm not using a lot of surfactant today. There's no need to. You want to do this side here? You can do this side here. Always work your way back to the ladder. So start from that corner over there. Beautiful day out here in Florida. Got a little cloud cover, man. A little cloud cover, appreciate that. On a golf course. A nice view out here, man. Alright, so we got 3 sides of the roof coated. So what we do before we do this part here, because we got to walk over here, so therefore this is our way out. So we can stand right there by the ladder and get all this up here. You know what I'm saying? Working our way down there. Just doing the second coat now. One-stop shop. I mean, you got to come back up here, man. All right, we got the roof sprayed up. Looks like we're gonna get a good rinse from that rain. While I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this fence for him. It's not part of the job, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray it up, bring it back to life. Nobody wants to look at that right there. Knock it out right quick, man. The rain about to come. I'm gonna probably take a lunch and then knock out one more job. Luckily for us, it's in the same neighborhood as this one. Coincidence. Let that sit. Well, you see that thing on that fence? Y'all see that thing on that fence? Melting like butter. Alright, we just got done doing the fence. See the final results. It doesn't take much, man. The roof is cleaned up, sprayed up. Waiting for that good rain to come down and give it a rinse. Yes, sir, everything's looking good. We're gonna pack it up. What time is it right now? It is 2:12. Might take a lunch, knock out the last job in about 3 o'clock. Should get there by 3 o'clock. I don't know. We might just go do it now. Take a lunch after, since we're in the same neighborhood. Yeah, we'll do that. All right, we at the third job. We're gonna be cleaning this driveway right here. We're luckily in the same neighborhood, man, as the last job, so 4-minute drive. I got Manuel on the surface cleaner, getting some hands-on experience on that. As you guys see, I'm not spinning it up right now. So you can tell how fast he can walk with a 20-inch surface cleaner with an 8 GPM. This is real time. Make sure you go all the way up. Make sure you go all the way up to the garage. There you go. We all finished here with the job. We cleaned the street gutter. See that, man, that water is clear down there. Nice and clean. This is where we stopped. Manuel knocked it out, man. Man was out there moving like a pro with that 8 GPM, man. I had to tell him, slow down, Manuel, slow down. But yeah, man, we had a good day today, pretty fun day. 3 projects. Man, I appreciate y'all checking the video out. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Got plenty of jobs coming up, plenty of projects. Thank y'all for letting me hit that 5,000 subscribers. Like I said before, I appreciate y'all's support. Until then, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.